Okay, I have Mark in the car, so we're going to run this video. Mark, go ahead and start it, and I'll show you the gauge in the car. It's cold. Just move it out. Just let her idle, Mark. See, I don't have any big. The car's not closed everything. I got it going a little bit higher when it started. Really nice paint job on it. Sport mirrors. Give it a tap, Mark. Good. All right, we'll take her for a quick spin. Mark, you want to hop out of there? Grab the phone and I will drive her. So you just take a walk around in the hood. It is a 2+2 because the back seat does roll down. Which is part of the 2+2 package. It does have a 4-speed in it. All the gauges work. Temp, as you can see, is just starting to move. The oil pressure is really good on this side. I'll give it a little better shot on the fuel gauge. All right, get her. Oops, almost dropped her there. Let me get her out of reverse here and get her. Show him a little bit of cam the car has isn't outrageous or outrageous at all. Coming up, speedometer, odometer, all work. I am going to get onto the road here and we'll run up to the red light, but notice no creaks in the car when it goes over. Just really nice and smooth. You know, she's I thought there was a tech in this car. Oh yeah, look at the steering wheel. She just drives as straight as she possibly can. The speed limit on this road is 35, but I'll get her on the next stretch. I'll get her up to 65 or 70. Oil pressure really strong. Just a great, fun, good-looking, well put together, strong car. And I know the video shows the underneath that on our site. Yep. So you can take a look at that. Just thought I'd run it again and then we'll stop it and open the hood up one more time, Mark. Yep, top. Well, we're past it now. 65, 70 miles an hour. We're probably running around 2200 RPM maybe. Yeah. Not whining, just beautiful. Yeah, just really nice and tight. It's a great ride. I sure love it. As you can see, yeah. I mean, can't find any fault in this car, that's for sure. Yeah, that's for sure. Anything else you'd like to say, Mark?
I think that's about all. I think it's just an absolute beautiful car.
All right, take her back up to the showroom there, and we'll walk around it one more time. Show them that temperature gauge, Mark. Temperature gauge is just we have the digital thermometer. We can point at it. Yep. I'm sure it's running around 180.
Awesome.
Now, Michael, get out and if you would, show the headlights and stuff like that.
Yep. Perfect. All right, we got this beauty up on the lift. Let's check out underneath. Very nice and clean, strong undercarriage. Very beautiful. Let me just go ahead and swing around real fast. A little bit better light this way. This car is gorgeous. Let us know if you have any questions, concerns, if you'd like to see more of the car. If you're interested, please give us a call, shoot us an email. Thanks for stopping by, and we hope you all have a great day.